Hey guys, Ben here from the Elegant Bar. Um, I'm working from the comfort of my home during this COVID-19 pandemic. I just wanted to make this video to help you guys understand how to pick the right air purifier or a smoke eater specifically. Um, a lot of times I know people have purchased air purifiers um, thinking that it'll clean out the air from smoke. And where we work in cigar industry, so I'm really focused on the cigar smoke, but um, it works the same way for any other kind of smoke, maybe industrial or restaurants, bars, and and so forth. The things that you need to look at if you're focused on smoke itself um, is that besides having the HEPA filters and the high grade filtration for bacteria, toxins, and other chemicals and allergens. The main thing that you need to look at is the carbon filter, because carbon filter is what removes it traps the small particles that will help eliminate the smoke as well as um, the odor. If you don't have uh, the carbon filter, the odor will still be there. So you can use an electrostatic purifier, which will kill the smoke, but it won't remove the odor from the air. Um, Now, that being said, there's different weights of these filters as well. So you can purchase the heavier the filter, basically. So compare if you're comparing between two different models, what you're looking at, the heavier the filter, the better it is. For when I say heavier the filter, I mean heavier the carbon filter. So it'll tell you, how many pounds of carbon filter the actual air purifier contains. So take a look at that, compare that. Um, on the back end, we use this calculator that we're trying to get it accessible to our clients as well. But for now, you can call us and we can help you determine what size filter air purifier you need, and if you need one or more. So some of the commercial locations, they need more than one air purifier smoke eater. So what you're looking at basically is you determine the length, width, and the height of the room, and then you need to figure out the air changes per hour, which we help you with that. So like in a small, if it is in a same size room, we could do the air changes per hour based off of how much smoke is generated in the room. So if it is a heavy smoke, let's say for a cigar lounge, and it's always busy, or even like on certain days it's very busy, you need to have around 12 air changes per hour. If it is average and not too heavy, then you can do 8, and then if it is light, then you can do 6. Now, what these numbers, the air changes, what they do is, besides giving you the clean air, what we use them for is to do the calculations, so what CFM is required, the for the for picking the right air purifier. So once you do that, it'll give us the CFM, and then you can go look at different models when you're comparing different air purifiers, and you can look at the CFM and you can determine if that model is sufficient or not. And then the different air purifiers will mention as well that if you run it at low, then it'll give you X amount of CFM, and if you run it at high, then you'll get X amount of CFM. So these things, if you know how to do the calculations, if you have a calculator yourself, then you can easily determine those things. If you don't, then give us a call. We'll be happy to help you out at the Elegant Bar. It is yourelegantbar.com. Phone number is 888-501-3227. I'll put some links below as well for you guys to look at some of the models that we have recommended to our clients and have they're satisfied with them. And we're coming up with a lot new products as well. So if you have check them out as well. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below and stay in touch.